Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to install Java JDK in your device. First open your browser, then write Java JDK download. Then first link is oracle.com and it is the main Java downloaded website. Now there are three options: Linux, Mac and Windows. I simply choose Windows because my device is Windows device. And I installed the second one, which is installer, and it takes some second and it around 152 MB. My download has been completed and now you see that JDK 17. I'm going to install that. Click run. Next, and keep it default location. And it is successfully installed. Now we're going to check that it is installed or not in our device. Write cmd right there, Java minus version. Then you can see that Java version is shown. That's mean Java environment is successfully installed in your system. Now one task: go to Java folder, follow my step. Where Java? There Java JDK 17, and simply copy this path. Copy and cross that. Go to this PC and open that and go property. There is advanced system, then click environment variable. You saw that path, double click and new and paste that. Okay, save. And also in system variable, there you can see path, double click, new, paste. Okay, and okay, and there is already complete.